You know, I love nursing, I love the patient interaction and the nursing activity that goes with it, but documentation is a big portion of what I do every day. So if I go in and I streamline that, then hopefully I can create additional time next to my patient's bed. We started off with more than 3,000 pieces of paper, went down to about 1,000, when now when we're on CareOn, we're down to less than 100 pieces of paper. We definitely were interested in the iPad's functionality. I think the goal for us at the end was mobility. We had the ability to take patient photos, so immediately it improved the pediatric security for us as well. You know, some of the parents came in and said, "Can I take a photo with my child?" We're like, "Oh, that's even a better suggestion, because now I can actually see this is the mum of this child," and therefore we had that functionality. In the paper environment, we documented really well what a wound would look like, but you couldn't take a picture. Now you can take a picture, you still need to do the documentation, but I always say a picture is 1,000 words. I'm really proud of the product that we gave to the teams. I'm really proud of the core team. You know, we were a small team that worked on this day and night. It's something that have a significant impact on nursing in Netcare.